Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by enabling the core services. Make sure your iPhone 16 runs the latest iOS and that you're signed into iCloud. Once done, open Settings and turn on Apple Intelligence, Siri, and Private Cloud so processing and continuity work correctly. You should also allow microphone, photos, and location access when prompted. This lets the intelligence features analyze content and respond contextually. These are the first actionable steps that let the system start learning your preferences and preparing for interactive tasks. Once basic access is granted, you configure how intelligence behaves. Choose voice, language, and which apps it can read. Make sure to review and enable suggested shortcuts, widgets, and focus integrations so prompts appear in the right context. You should also add or label important contacts, allow mail and notes analysis, and give access to calendars. This trains the model on your routines. By actively curating sources, you make responses faster and more accurate, which reduces irrelevant suggestions and improves day-to-day assistance. Now use Apple Intelligence by saying, "Hey Siri," tapping the widget, or long pressing the dynamic island for context-aware help. Ask for summaries, drafts, or smart automations. If results drift, make sure to refine permissions, clear app caches, or rerun onboarding so the model relearns your preferences. If features fail altogether, restart your iPhone, verify iCloud and network status, and toggle intelligence off and on. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out of iCloud and sign back in to resolve sync or permission glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.